Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And I don't know the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself on the Friday, you feel me? Cause we're back at it with another one. You don't know the thing go. Spice ruins Shenseea's day. Yes, you heard me correctly. Spice ruins Shenseea's day. And some other people will mention further on in the review. But we all know yesterday was Shenseea's day, May 20th. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm going to give an update on this situation with TeeJay and Romeich because it looked like, I get the news late. We done disclosed this like a month ago that, Dressmaker Boy is no longer managing TeeJay. And his role with Shenseea's has been downgraded. You feel what I'm saying? But I'm going to update y'all on that situation and let you know who's the only one officially in Dressmaker Boy Entertainment. And before I proceed, people, let me address the people that is mad at me saying or calling Romeich a dressmaker boy. You feel me? I have no problem calling Romeich a dressmaker boy. Put in the comment section when I go in a restaurant and you see the cook. Where you call the cook? You call the cook or chef, don't it? Really only call them by them first names. Put in the comment section if I'm right or wrong. Now, Romeich is what, people? He's a dressmaker boy. He makes clothes for a living. Remember, Idonia did bun up him clothes like 12 years ago in a dance hall. You remember them said Beanie Man, dressmaker boy said Beanie Man now buy him clothes and him owe him money and all of these things. What is the problem with me calling him a dressmaker boy? That's his occupation. People make billions of US dollars off of clothing. I get it though. Y'all are illiterate. You see what I'm saying? And on the ignorant. If I was calling dressmaker boy the Dan, say how the Dan I deal with the thing, the Dan bring up Shenseea from grown to freaking top level. You see me? I said, the Dan Romeich, my give out food and all of these things. Shut the hell up, dressmaker boy. That's what the hell you is. Anyway, back to the regular programming. Now, timing is everything, and it's just not Shenseea's time, especially in the month of May. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, it's only really been Spice trending and a few other people. But nevertheless, you got to get creative when you're an artist and try all types of marketing ploys to keep your name trending out there. So you don't know the trending girl Shenseea decided, let me have a Shenseea day. And it's not my birthday, She chose a day that was not her birthday. And unfortunately, May 20th, 2021 is officially going to go down as Nikki Chromazz Day. People, Nikki Chromazz locked down all social media yesterday. Over 8,000 people. She live for about 10 hours straight. You see me, I say? And the people in Jamaica saying Nikki and her fiance Damien is the new Pinky in the Brain. Put in the comment section, who do you think is Pinky and who do you think is the Brain? But nevertheless, like I said, people, Shenseea's day just got spoiled. You feel me? And what makes it even worse is Spice held something that same day. Now I'm gonna play these videos at both events for you after the review. I'm going to show you how Shenseea was chilling with her fans in America. They can't do this in Jamaica. And it looked like all of them got the shot so they can do this in public. And I'm going to show you Spice's get together as well. And Rasta Man is in Jamaica. So let's take a look at Spice and Rasta.
Welcome to Jamaica, baby. Other home, baby.
I didn't hear you.
Welcome to your other home. Or other home.
Yes, we soon say watch Rasta on the beach. But no, people, I just find it funny. Why would Spice and Shenseea keep something on the same day? I don't know who was advertising May 20th first. Because I seen Spice put this thing out like 5 days ago. I don't know when Shenseea started promoting this Shenseea Day. But yeah, Spice is in Jamaica. You don't know the thing said. And she also had eat all you can for lunch for $2,000, you know. So I don't know if she's just doing a promotion. I don't know, people. I just find it strange that they was doing this the same day. Put in the comment section what you have to say about that. Because I kind of feel bad for Shenseea. Nobody did a review about her on her day, you know, which is like... But like I said, Nikki locked down the place, you know. Nothing couldn't move, you see me? So yeah, that's all I had to say about that. Like I said, I'm going to show you the video with Shenseea's get together and Spice's get together. And y'all can put in the comment section who was more interactive with the fans and etc, etc. Yo, and like I said, people, I did this review like a month ago saying that Dressmaker Boy has been downgraded from all of his positions except for one. You feel what I'm saying? I told you that Shenseea fired him. And if he didn't get fired, his position got downgraded. And I showed you the proof of that. I showed you the proof that he is in some type of reorganization. You see, man? I know people is talking about TeeJay. Well, I don't know why. It looked like they watched one of my old videos and things. But nevertheless, people, let me update to know what I go on. TeeJay don't need Dressmaker Boy. Dressmaker Boy needed TeeJay and Ding Dong to make him look good and his artist Shenseea. All the focus is around Shenseea and not the other artists. Of course, they're going to feel some type of way. You know what I mean? And ever since he took the picture with Spice, we know that things not nice because we see that Dressmaker Boy is no longer advertising who he's managing. We see that TeeJay is not saying he's a part of Romeich Entertainment. And it's only Ding Dong that got the Romeich Entertainment in his bio. And Shenseea, his biggest income that made him a somebody, because he's not a star. You feel what I'm saying? She doesn't have him as part of Romeich Entertainment. So as a businessman, why wouldn't you advertise who you are, you know, working with or for? Who are they supposed to book for TeeJay? TeeJay have him own booking thing, you know. It's only Ding Dong with the Sinton and another thing. So I'm thinking that his position got downgraded. He signed to rich immigrants, you know, Russians thing. So that's probably why he's really around Shenseea, you know what I mean? But his position got downgraded ever since he disrespected the black woman in Florida. So, and what made me realize, say, yo, Dressmaker Boy is a wicked individual. He didn't even leave one comment under TeeJay's post when he was in the hospital. And I have a feeling that him put TeeJay in the hospital, you know, because look how me show some picture with TeeJay and him so fat. And all of a sudden, overnight, them lose weight, you know. Designer body surgery and all of these things. But nevertheless, people, he didn't leave a comment under there. And he didn't leave a comment under the video TeeJay posted with Timberland, you know, which is a big deal. You know what I mean? And this would make Dressmaker Boy look good because what TeeJay is what his artist, but obviously not no more. You feel what I'm saying? It's a good look, TeeJay. You know, you just need to know the business more. You see me? I say you don't need these jokers. You feel me? But enough of me talking. Let's see a little bit of the celebrations.
How much should I pay for going in? $2. Eat all you
And yes, people, I have to turn off the sound on this clip because you don't know how the thing's set. The people them are go down there. And you don't know go down there have over 5 million views on YouTube. And you don't know the thing set with the YouTube bros, you know. So I can just sing the go down there song if you don't know it already. And things. And I lie, Spice look like her knees them at work today, you know. Yeah, man, she look like she fully caught the last time I see her, she nearly fall over bed backward.
Happy got dinner, the girls, yeah, the butt shaking, them What's yours? What's yours? Hey! We got dinner though, we gonna eat. Yeah.
I had the same thing happen.
What is life without food, people? Oh, sick, watch daddy pants. Yeah, watch daddy pants. Watch daddy boot. Buckle, bitchy. Yeah, man, take it whole restaurant, bitchy dog.
See confident.
Shenseea over there, they go to eat food and them have them only for food. Look for it. Fries we are eating. And then we got a big food, yeah. Nice over there, what going to go? People want to feel like I have dirty money. Send them alright. Them table not good like my table. Look at it, look at it. Lobster, mac and cheese. Some vegetable something around there, some. And some like a broccoli thing. And one piece of fish. That way I deal with today. Good life. Go on man, stretch over. Jamaica I come from lady. I'm not frying for food. So we think, yeah? No, sir. The belly look healthy. No. Boy, we need we need young there every day.
You're gonna put it on top of the box, 7 seconds to make it medium, and when you finish it, that keeps it soft. Oh, you gotta.
Alright. What man? Oh, we not cook for our table. We not cook. Full. Camila, full no take over. Yeah. Come here, look like a friend. A good morning time now. People, I live my life. I get to you from Waltham, I live my life. I feel like Shenseea come and give everybody dinner. Run up our credit card. Run up our card. Bad man, all the tea on the poor bossy. I saw the stay, man. Watch out. Check this cake clear. I see it. Alright, Gaffer. Respect me, Jane. Yeah, man. This is the rich way of drinking tea. You hold it in the hand with the diamond Rolex. Okay? Okay? And then when you rich enough, you buy the pinky ring. And then you push it out.
Strawberry infused chocolate caramel, little vanilla cream. Yeah. How'd y'all enjoy?
So that's the excitement. Broke up a little cake. Diamonds, them man.
Nightingale out.
Let me see what this cake say.
Lord God, some people just nuff you with that thing say I feel him there, blood clot. Hey, if just make a boy not stop yamming, might go become fat again, you know. And not so skinny people. Why, but people, that's the end of it. If you're new around here and you enjoy these types of vibes and videos, hit that like button, you know. We're trying to get it to 1,000, you feel I'm saying? All the who now hit the like button, you don't know what to do in the rascal self. Yes. No, really. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and press all because I run you so you get the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.